Hey guys, so today I have a back to school clothing haul for you guys. These items I'm gonna show you is from Zaful. If you guys been on my channel for a while, you guys know I love Zaful and I always collaborate with them. So yeah, so you guys probably already see me wear this like around May or June. I have these clothes for a while, but I just never show it and I never filmed it yet, so I'm showing it right now in this video. So the first item I got from Zaful is actually what I'm wearing right now. Is this army green rib top. It looked really nice. They have like that little scrunch right in the middle, and you guys can see in the try on it's like somewhat a crop top, but I really like it and I think it's perfect for school. It's really comfy to wear, and it also have like this kind of like deep cut, but it's not really deep, this V cut. I really like it, so I can like wear some necklace, and I really like it. Okay, then the next item I got from them is actually probably my favorite. It's this red bodysuit. I don't think I own a lot of red clothing. This is like probably my first red clothing. It's a really nice off the shoulder bodysuit, and they have like this bell sleeve looking with these ruffle, which I think look really nice. I don't know, I just really like it, and I really like the material. Their material is really good. Then the next item I got is a white hoodie. I don't own a white crop hoodie, so I got to get this one, and I really like the material. It's not fleece and it's like really lightweighted, so it's really comfy to wear. It have like that kind of workout material. I wore it like a couple times there. That's why there's like a makeup stain on here. It's just a crop hoodie, which I think looks so nice with my high waist pants. I usually only wear high waist jean and high waist pants. I don't even remember when was the last time I wear low rise. I think that's what they're called. Then the next item I got is this tank top looking. It kind of look inappropriate for school. I mean, it is. It's like spaghetti strap, but I think it look really nice to style. Like, you can wear it as how it is, or you can wear a white t-shirt inside and like put some accessory, and it'll look really nice. I really like this top. I think it's really wearable and easy to style. I hope that makes sense. It's also like kind of cropped, as you can see, and it's like the material is satin. The next item I got is this suede skirt. It looked really nice. I really like the stud detail and the zipper in the middle. I think it looked really chic, and I see this like a lot on social media. It's really nice. It's like really high quality looking. Look at this. I can style so much stuff with this. Then the next item I got from Zaful is not school appropriate, but who cares. Anyways, I got this like white tube top. I think it'll look really nice if you wear like a denim jacket outside, or like something to cover it up instead of like just wearing it by itself. But I saw this like a lot on social media, so I have to get it. Anyways, it just have like this button up going in the middle, and it's also rib. It's kind of like a crop top, but I don't know, I just really like it. I think this will look really nice with high waist jean and a demi jacket outside, so yeah. Then the next item I got is this gingham dress. It's kind of too big on me. Once again, I have like a petite body, but it's really nice. I can see myself wearing this to school one day with like white t-shirt inside. I really like the ruffle looking detail at the bottom, and it's just a very cute dress. Then the last clothing item I got from Zaful is this kind of blazer wrap dress looking. Unfortunately this doesn't look good on me. It's like kind of too big on me. It looked like I'm wearing like a mom dress. Anyways, I don't even know how a mom dress look like, but yeah, you guys get the point. The reason why I got this dress is because I wanted to go with my knee-high white boots, but this is like kind of too big. I have these black straps, you can tie little bows around. So that's all the clothing items I got from Zaful, and I also got like some accessories. So yeah, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably already seen me wear this sunglass. Yeah, I really like this. This is like so trendy. It's like one of those half cut sunglasses, as you can see. So nice and chic, and I always wear it like I'm a badass bitch. Anyways, yeah, I really like this. These are like really trendy too. They're like that. I don't know how to describe it, but look really trendy. So yeah. Then the next item I got from Zaful is this cross necklace. It comes with another set, but I honestly do not remember where I put it. So yeah, but it's just this cross necklace, which I wear this already in one of my Instagram picture. I'll like insert it somewhere, but I really like cross necklace. I don't know, it just looks really nice. So yeah, and it's like gold, as you can see. And then the last item I got from them are these boots, and they look so nice. Like, look at this. It just looks so trendy, bro. Like, I feel like a badass wearing these. Anyways, it's like a glossy. It's like a gloss type of boots, and I really like these studs, going down in the middle and like up here. I don't know, it just looks really chic and trendy, and I really like the platform. It's like not too tall, it's like wearable for, you know, everyday for school if you guys want. But I definitely wore this to school once already, and you know, it felt really good. Like, it didn't bother me at all, it didn't make a lot of noise, and I really like it. And I wore these once, and look at the bottom, it's still clean. So yeah. So that was all the item I got from Zaful. If you like any of the items I show you, they'll be linked in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Definitely wear these type of clothing to school. I think I'll show you guys how to try it on in the try on portion. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, like always. Also, let me know in the comment section when you guys go back to school. I go back on the 13th of August, which is like crazy, bro. Like, that's like next week for me. But yeah, I only got 1 more year, so I'm gonna pull through and I'll be good. So yeah, I think that's all what I had to say. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.